Okay, well, I guess this is what we're going with. Hi guys, my name is Sloan. I hope you're having a great day so far, or maybe you can make it a better day, or if you're having a bad day, that's okay, because you know we all have bad days. Anyways, today I'm gonna be doing my first video. It's probably gonna be a little rough, but one of the things that I've been seeing people do a lot, especially while we're in quarantine because we're all stuck in our houses, is clean out their closets. I did this a while back and I've just kept all of my stuff like right there where you can't see it, behind my chair. And then I came across this like company called ThredUp. So I'm sure you guys have heard of ThredUp, but it's just an online consignment store where you can send in your clothes and they do everything for you. Basically they post it and everything and then they send you money. So it's pretty easy, pretty cool. The kit came really quick, so I got one of their bags. So it's huge. It's literally huge. It's literally like it will definitely fit most if not all of my clothes that I'm getting rid of. I'm just gonna take you guys along, show you like what I'm getting rid of, put it in the bag. I don't know what I'm doing. I just thought this would be kind of cool since I couldn't clean out my closet. Let's roll. Let's start.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down.
Okay, so everything right now is on my bed. So I think I'm just gonna go through it, show you guys, and then afterwards I'm gonna fold it and put it in the bag. That are not right now here with me. Cool singing. Okay, why am I out of breath? I think I'm just nervous. Okay, this first thing that I'm gonna be selling is actually my brother's. It's just a pair of American Eagle denim jeans. Yeah, they're 28 by 30, but I don't know what that means. This next thing I'm selling is just a really simple Polaroid t-shirt. I think I got it from Target for the summer and then I never wore it because it made me look like a box. And I was like, no, that's not the situation here. Okay, this top is actually kind of cute, but like, it's just, I don't really want it anymore. So there's that. This next thing also, like, if anyone even sees this, oh, why is there freaking, I'm scared I don't want to rip it. If anyone even sees this, like, I might list this stuff on Poshmark, but also I don't understand how to use Poshmark or Depop. This is just a express skirt, just like a classic, like, pencil skirt. I got it for, like, my mock trial and stuff. It's a size 4, but it's way too big in the waist. So I'm gonna sell it because it's really nice, but I'm never gonna wear it. Okay, this next thing is a really soft, airy sweater. It's a size extra small, but I just didn't wear it all this winter. So I was like, why do I even have it? Okay, this next item is actually from Lulu's. When I got it, I thought it was really cute. I was like, yes. Like, okay. My only problem with it was that I don't know if I'm short, so like, but it wouldn't button at the bottom, and also it like, you know what I'm saying? If it like hurts at the bottom. I'm getting rid of this. Maybe someone else will enjoy it, but that wasn't me. From John Galt, actually. It's from PacSun. It's a small. It's this like light blue. I don't know what it's showing up on like the camera, but it's a light blue sweater. It just has a little like bear embroidered. It's just, I've had it for a while. So like I wore it and now I'm like kind of over it. You know what I'm saying? Goodness, okay. It's a universal thread jacket from Target. It's like a green like army jacket. That's not what you call it. It's really cute. It just isn't my style. So I don't know why I got it, but you know, it's someone else's now. So this is an American Eagle sweater. It's a extra small. And it's in pink and it's cute, but it's a little like holy, and I live in Colorado, so it's cold. So we can't be having no holes up in here. This next item is actually a really cute item. It's just a lot of black for me, and I don't know how I feel about it anymore. So this is a Wild Fable romper jumpsuit thingy. As you can see, it has pants. I'm a very pale person, so it's a lot of black, and it made me look really not great. Made me look very kind of scary, so you know, I'm just gonna get more. So these are American Eagle super stretch high-rise jeggings. I outgrew them. I don't wear them anymore. It has a nice little like faux rip. So yeah, these will be selling as well because I don't fit them anymore, so they're out. This next item is also from American Eagle. It's just a pair of basic black denim shorts. They fit. They're just so black. Why do I keep buying so many black things? I don't wear them. Next item. This next item is a swimsuit. I really hope they take swimsuits because I'm sending them. It's from xoxo. That's the brand from Target, like one of their swimwear brands. It's a one piece, but it's like kind of like a scandalous one piece because the back is all open, like if you can see it, and then the front is like got a little like opening, like a little cutout, and it's really cute and I liked it. I just got new swimsuits for this year, so I'm not feeling the one pieces anymore, but you know, it's cute. So I don't know, my closet looks so empty. Like, it's actually kind of scary. I need a shop, but I don't have money. So, you know, it's a little bit of a dilemma right now. This one is a pair, I think they're sleeping pants. Yeah, it's sleepwear. They're like a really soft, actually, like material. They're Victoria's Secret pink. They have like a little gray on the side. Yeah, they're extra small. They don't fit me anymore. They're a little too tight on the thighs. You know, I don't want to suffocate them. So we're just gonna get rid of these because adios. This is the last item. Oh gosh, there's hair on it. It's just an American Eagle shirt. Are we surprised? No, we're not surprised. We should not be surprised. It's an American Eagle MTV shirt. It's a crop shirt. It's an extra small. It's really cute. It's just, I don't have any way to wear it. Can't figure out how to style it. So, you know, someone else can use it and figure out how to style it. So yeah, I'm gonna do a time lapse of me putting all the stuff in the bag is what I'm gonna do. Because hopefully that didn't take too long. So I'm gonna put all the stuff in the bag and then I'll see you guys at the end of the video, I guess.
Fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out. Might just
I kind of filled up the whole bag, which I was not expecting. It's not as big as I thought it was, but maybe I did have a lot of stuff. I don't really know. It's actually pretty heavy. I hope it's not over the limit of the weight. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. So I think I'm just gonna take this thing off, stick it to the other side, set it on my porch, and it's gonna be mailed. That's pretty dope, and then I'll get money. I will do that later. Thank you guys for watching if you stayed till this point. Don't know why you would, but maybe you found me entertaining mildly. Let's see how I do editing this. Kind of scared because not the best at editing, you know, haven't really had any practice, but yeah, I hope you guys have a great day or a better day tomorrow than you did today. I don't know, I'm gonna get a little deep here for like 2 seconds. Just like, your body's amazing and you don't need to do anything to prove that your body's worthy. You don't need to beat it up. You just need to let it be and just thank it for like keeping you alive. Like, you have literally so many cells that are just like, their only job in like life is to just keep you alive, and like that's kind of cool. So like, no matter what you look like, no matter how you feel about your body, no matter how you feel about yourself in general, just get through today and it'll be better in the future eventually. I pinky promise. And yeah, love you guys. Bye.